Birds. Birds are animals with feathers, beaks, and they lay eggs. They live all over the world because they can adapt to many different places. Feathers keep them warm and help most birds fly. Birds have different beaks to eat different kinds of food. Many birds build nests and have special ways of finding mates. Sadly, many birds are losing their homes and are in danger because of pollution and the changing climate. We need to help protect